Hello traders, welcome back to AM Indicators, your trusted space to learn smart, simple, and effective ways to trade online. Whether you're just starting your trading journey or you're already experienced, you're in the right place. On this channel, I share my top trading tools, secret strategies, and step-by-step guidance to help you trade with confidence. In today's video, I'm revealing one of my favorite reversal indicators for binary trading on MT4. I'll show you exactly how to use this tool and follow my personal trading rules to identify strong buy and sell signals. But before we dive in, hit the like button if you enjoy smart trading tips, subscribe if you haven't already, and turn on the bell icon so you never miss out on new videos that could help you win more trades. Quick disclaimer: trading binary options involves financial risk. The indicator and strategies shared in this video are for educational purposes only and do not guarantee profits. Please trade responsibly and only invest money you can afford to lose. Now let's talk about the basics of this indicator signals and strategy. When price hits a support level and the indicator gives a buy signal, it's a good time to enter a buy trade. When price touches a resistance level and you see a sell signal, that's a good time to take a sell trade. When the price is inside the red zone of the channel, it often signals a strong reversal is near. This is your opportunity, but always wait for confirmation from the indicator's arrow or signal before entering the trade. But remember, avoid trading during strong trending markets. If the channel is big and zigzag, it's okay to trade. If the channel is tight and at the top or bottom, that usually means a strong ongoing trend, and it's better to trade in the same direction as that trend. For example, if the trend is going up strongly, only look for buy trades. If the trend is going down strongly, only go for sell trades. Set your chart to 1-minute candles and your trade expiry time to 5 minutes. This combination helps catch short-term reversals while giving the price enough time to move in your favor. Trade during the European and New York sessions when the market has high liquidity and better movements. Avoid taking trades during major news events, as they can cause unpredictable price spikes. If you're excited to try this binary trading reversal MT4 indicator, the download link is in the description below. But first, my advice: start with a demo account. Practice with the signals until you're confident. No pressure, no risk, just learning. Now get ready to watch this indicator in action. Let's jump into some real live trades and see how powerful this strategy really is. So as you can see, this trade setup is ticking all the boxes. The price is at a strong support level. We're inside the red reversal zone of the channel, and the indicator has given us a clear buy signal. All of these conditions together give us high confidence that this trade will move in the right direction. Now, patience is key. We've entered the trade with a 5-minute expiry, so let's wait and watch how the price behaves. While we wait, let me quickly remind you of something important. It's not just about spotting signals. It's about understanding the market context. That's what makes this strategy powerful. The reversal indicator works best when you combine signals with support resistance and use it during active market hours. And remember, if you're seeing strong trending candles or sudden news movements, it's better to skip the trade than to risk a bad entry. Trading smart is more important than trading often. Okay, we're almost near the end of this trade. Stay tuned because the result is coming up next. We've won this trade. That's the power of following a strategy with proper rules and discipline. Now, let's not rush. The goal is not to trade more, it's to trade smart. So, we'll wait patiently for the next perfect setup based on our strategy. All right, traders, we've just entered a sell trade based on a solid setup. The price is at the resistance level, the indicator has given us a clear sell signal, and even though the price isn't in the red channel zone this time, that's okay. Sometimes when we have strong confirmation from the resistance zone and the indicator signal, it still gives us a high probability setup, even without all three conditions perfectly aligning. The key is to understand the strength of each signal. In this case, the resistance level plus indicator confirmation is strong enough to justify taking this trade. We've set the expiry to 5 minutes, so now it's all about patience and observation. Here's something to keep in mind while we wait. Not every setup will look exactly the same, but with experience, you'll learn to identify which ones are worth taking. The more you practice, the sharper your trading instincts become. Keep watching, because in just a few moments, we'll see how this trade plays out, and whether this strategic entry turns into another win for us. We've won this trade as well. Another great example of how following the right strategy with discipline really pays off. As I mentioned, this sell trade setup does not match our trading rules. And here's why. The market is currently in a strong uptrend, which means taking a sell trade goes against the trend. That's a big red flag in our strategy. And usually, it's best to avoid such setups completely. I've taken this trade just to show you an example of what not to do, so you can learn to identify and stay away from low probability setups. Here's what you should remember. When the market is trending strongly in one direction, you should only trade with the trend. In an uptrend, look for buy signals only. In a downtrend, focus on sell signals. Entering trades against the trend can lead to unnecessary losses, especially when there's no strong reversal signal or confirmation from the indicator. Now, we'll wait for this trade to expire. But this is more of a learning trade, not one we would normally take during a real trading session. These kinds of examples are important because they help you understand the importance of discipline and sticking to your strategy. We've lost this trade, and this is exactly why we should never go against the trend. This was a clear example of what can happen when we don't follow the rules. The market was in a strong uptrend, and we took a sell trade. Not a smart move, even if the indicator showed a signal. But remember, losses are part of the learning process, and every trader faces them. What matters is that we learn from them and improve our discipline moving forward. Now, let's refocus and patiently wait for the next high probability setup, one that follows all our rules, including trend direction, indicator confirmation, and price level. We've entered this sell trade because it follows all the important conditions of our strategy. The price is at the resistance level. We've received a clear sell signal from the indicator, and even though the price is not inside the red zone of the channel, that's okay here because we're trading in the direction of the current downtrend, which adds more strength to the setup. So now, let's wait patiently for the trade to complete and see how the market reacts. While we wait, there's something important I want to share with you. When testing this indicator, I noticed that if you refresh the chart, the signals may slightly change their positions. This is known as signal repainting. And yes, it happens with many indicators, especially custom ones. But here's the key point. During live trading, the signals remain stable and don't change after they appear. So if you're trading in real time and following the rules, it won't affect your trading decisions or results. That's why I always recommend using the indicator with proper rules and confirmation, instead of blindly relying on every signal. Think of the indicator as a tool to support your analysis, not something to follow blindly. Combine it with trend direction, support resistance levels, and channel zones for the best results. So, let's continue watching this trade. We're trading with the trend and have a strong signal backing it, so the probability of success is high. We won this trade. That's another solid win by simply following the rules and trading with the trend. I hope this video helped you understand how to use this binary reversal indicator the right way. Remember, don't chase trades. Be patient, wait for proper setups, and trade only when all the conditions are aligned. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video, share it with your trading friends, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. The indicator download link is in the description below. Make sure to try it out on a demo account first and build your confidence before using it on a live account. I'll see you in the next video with more powerful strategies and trading tips. Until then, stay disciplined, trade smart, and never stop learning. Thanks for watching.